Hey folks, it's another unboxing video for you. This time a different piece from Ignis Art. I'm going to be honest, I picked both of these up at the same time. This one is a slightly smaller piece called Little Witch. Slightly older piece. If you're interested in getting it after seeing the unboxing, please do check out the site right away because I don't know how much longer they're going to last. But I thought I would do the unboxing video. I bought both of these at full retail, both this one and Tea Party from my last video. There's no, promotional sponsorship involved. I just really think that they're beautiful pieces and thought I would share an unboxing video with you guys, see if you like it. So here we go. Okay, here we have another sculpt from Ignis Art. This time it is Little Witch. Now this is actually a piece that has been out for a while now. It's coming to the end of its run, so you may struggle to get a copy of this one if you're not quick on the uptake. Now this is a piece that I saw when I was actually shopping for Tea Party, which I kind of already covered in my last video. This is a beautiful, beautiful little piece of the same Dreams line as Tea Party, but it's a piece that I figured I would use as a kind of practice, maybe a build-up to painting Tea Party. It's a similar theme, it's a girl in the woods with some animal friends. Again, beautifully sculpted. The detailing on this piece is just incredible. The little fairy house in the tree with all of the mushrooms kind of acting like steps going up. Just exquisite. The casting quality, the completely free of mold lines or really anything that you've got to clean up at all, is just incredible. Now this one is piece number 203 of 300, so inferring from that, there's probably not a huge number of pieces left. I also ordered this a couple months ago. So if this piece takes your fancy, then do go out and grab it soon. And otherwise, just have a look on their site for any one of the other wonderful pieces that they have. So the detailing, the quality of the sculpt on that face is just incredible. Absolutely 100% worth picking up. I love all of the little creatures, the little fox friend that kind of sits there adjacent to the girl and looking up at her, all the little mice, extra mushroom, the ponytail, just as always unbelievably high quality casting from these guys. If you're interested in this model or any of the other models that Ignis Art produce, the best place to get them is WARHOG.PL. Their international shipping rates are pretty reasonable, and by going through them, you're getting the authentic product. You're not buying a recast or something of inferior quality. So yeah, that is Little Witch. Alright folks, well hopefully you enjoyed that. I think this is a beautiful model. If you enjoyed this video content, please tell me why in the comments below. Please consider liking and subscribing. Those things help the channel. I know my content hasn't been super frequent recently, but the more engagement I get from people, the more I'm encouraged to create that content. So, you know, please do consider that. And thank you for watching. Bye, folks.